Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites, your adventure level and specific quest completion. Once done, gather the listed resources and items because the game checks inventory on activation. Make sure to open the main quest log and finish the chapter that triggers the unlock. This is the direct unlock condition. Don't delay, use quick energy refills if needed to finish objectives faster, and verify you have the 5 keys in your mailbox or crafting tabs before proceeding to the activation step. Once prerequisites are satisfied, head to the Kingdom menu and open the Dashboard Activation tab. This is where the activation happens. You will need to spend the listed resources. Spend keys first if any are limited, because the system reserves them and prevents rollback. Make sure to confirm the dialogue. Some devices require a secondary confirmation tap. After confirming, wait through the progress animation or cutscene to ensure the server registers the change, and do not close the app until the process completes. You finish by claiming dashboard rewards and completing any follow-up missions that appear. These often finalize the unlock process and grant bonuses. If the dashboard doesn't appear, restart the app and clear cache or force stop. This forces a fresh sync with the server. If problems persist, make sure you took screenshots of resource use and error messages. Then contact support. Providing those images speeds resolution and helps recover spent items if a server-side rollback is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.